Gotta get the last bubbles out.
Yeah, you can just walk. You can just walk it up. I was in the car. Right, spike, and then this got dunk, and then you bump through the ATM. You know the other cameras?
Yeah.
So you bump through the ATM, go to the stream, and then stop the beauty country, and then go back down. It didn't know for what.
What?
So he spiked the ball, and all happened.
No way.
Going to Cambodian jail. Couldn't get out of the place.
Oh shit, there's no biscuits. I can boost you up and then you can just try and hold straight down. Oh shit, that's not all. Could be a silent killer. Wonder where it didn't go. Let's see what's over here. And we climb as high up as we can until there's an opening. So we'll probably have to be like above the flooring there that we put the metal one. You chose that? Let's just go as quiet as possible. Don't even know if I can turn those lights on yet, bro. Holy shit, dude. Holy shit. Yeah, Brody, we're fucking right back. No, dog, fuck. Dog. Honestly, I've never seen it all. Oh, but we were here earlier. Were we in this one? Kind of getting lost now. Yeah, I hope we didn't settle for long, bro. That'll be tragic. But the thing is, if we climb across, then people there will see us so easily, dude. dove. I can't believe we were over there.